Wow. Okay guys, I just got the OnePlus 15 and now I'm going to do an unboxing review for everyone. I'm really looking forward to it. The red packaging of the OnePlus 15 is so cool. So without further ado, let's get started. Where's the seal? Oh, here it is.
Alright, just go for it. Wow, just tear it off.
Wow, to be honest, this year's OnePlus 15 is really competitive. The screen is competitive, including its charging performance. Everything is competitive.
Oh my, wow, the damping feel is quite strong.
Here it is guys, the esports Samsung OnePlus Peak Gaming Core ultra fast refresh at 165Hz. Then open it up and take a look. Wow, this should be the inside of the phone and this should be its packaging box. Oh, a phone case. And then let's take a look at the phone case. Just a quick look. This time the phone case is somewhat off-white. The color of this phone case should match the original June color, which is the color of the phone itself. Let's set it aside and open it up to see inside. Wow. Brothers, it's heavy. At this moment, I realize that money can really buy something this good. Let's set the phone aside for now and first take a look at the accessories it comes with this year. And this year it comes with a charging head. Let's take a look. 120 watts. Wow. This charging speed is really off the charts. And the charging cable this year is this red one, which has quite a gaming feel. I think playing games with it is really awesome, truly. And then it also includes a SIM ejector pin and a charging head, making a total of these 3 items, the usual 3 plus a case. Let's set them aside for now. Let's look at the phone. Hey, we need to handle this carefully here. Hey guys, it's here. It's here. The OnePlus 15 is finally here.
The one I bought is in the original June color. Take a look at the overall texture.
Wow, it's really great. It kind of feels like marble. Do you guys feel that?
The texture here, if you take a closer look, resembles marble, and the deco part is fully wrapped, making it feel very smooth without any issues. The middle frame is almost identical to the back without using any titanium or other materials. It's basically integrated.
Wow, this button. This AR should be an AR smart button. Then take a look at the overall texture from side to side. Wow, it's really beautiful, especially this deco part really. The integration is very strong and the recognition is extremely high. Wow. Then let's power it on for everyone to see. And here we'll also set it all up once.
Already set everything up, we click and everything is ready. Wow.
Here it is, here it is, here it is. Let me show you the whole interface. Guys, when you open the interface, it's directly ColorOS 6. Then let's look at the overall configuration. Scroll to the bottom, hear about the device, and you can see this time the battery is 7,300 milliampere hours, and the one I bought has 16 plus 512 memory. Then let's take a look at the camera. Front 32 million, rear 50 million, 50 million, 3 times 50 million. To be honest, this year's OnePlus 15 is truly outstanding, whether it's its performance, screen, or charging speed. Wow, it's really impressive. A world of difference compared to the previous generation. Overall, take a look. Wow, game architecture, peak core, Samsung battery, and this time the OnePlus 15 added a button. Let me show you.
Added an AI shortcut key, long press it to wake up the AI, and a single tap basically starts the analysis. Wow, this dynamic island is really cool.
It's really so smooth overall, I think, completely incomparable to the previous generation. And this time, the OnePlus 15 screen has been upgraded to 165Hz, so let's take a look at the overall visual effect. It's really clear, and it seems to have an original factory film, right? There's an original factory film with a punch hole, but honestly, this punch hole tends to collect dust a bit. However, overall, there's nothing wrong with it. I just bought a tempered glass film for the OnePlus 15, so let's put it on and see how it looks.
Then this tempered glass screen protector is full screen coverage, so there won't be a punch hole design. To be honest, with the punch hole design, I feel like it's not as enjoyable when playing games. The phone is bought for gaming, right? So here, I'll remove the original screen protector and apply this one. Let's see if a tempered glass screen protector bought elsewhere can fit. Okay, this original screen protector directly
Pop. This original screen protector was just peeled off.
The original screen protector is relatively soft and thin, but with the hole punch design, I think it's easy to accumulate dust. Then we put on our own tempered glass protector to see how effective it is, and also to show everyone if there are any gaming protectors on the market that can fit this phone.
Be careful, because for things like this, when playing games, this tempered glass is really important. Then here, let's give it a simple clean and stick it on to see how it looks.
Okay, it's done, and it's been applied for him. Overall, it looks quite good. You can see that the overall appearance basically has no white edges or bubbles. The screen looks quite deep, and let's see if there's any blurriness. Oh, overall there is no blurriness, and the edges feel a bit sharp to the touch, but if you use a case, I think it should be resolved. Basically, if you use a case, you will find that there is generally no issue with the case lifting or sharp edges. However, if you prefer using it without a case, you should consider it carefully. Then I'll show you if its ultrasonic can unlock. Tap OK, lightly touch it. Oh, the ultrasonic is quite sensitive. Screen off. Oh, screen off is also fine. Whether the screen is on or off, the ultrasonic unlocks instantly. Now let's check the overall smoothness. Wow, this doesn't break at all. Overall, for just over 10 yuan per screen protector, the cost-performance ratio is really great. Although the edges feel a bit sharp, the rest is indeed very thin. For this screen protector, I won't put it in the comments section. I'll just tell you directly. This one is from Bear's brand, and the price is really cheap. If you use a case, you can buy this screen protector without hesitation. But if you use the phone without a case, you might want to think about it because the edges are a bit sharp, though otherwise it's basically fine. The main thing is that the price-performance ratio is quite high. Okay, brothers, that's the whole unboxing process. To be honest, the OnePlus 15 this year is really excellent. I really love it. The quality is amazing. I'm using it directly for gaming, and in a few days I'll test its gaming performance to see if it's really as powerful as 165 Hz. We'll end this video here. See you in the next one. Bye bye.